Hello friends and colleagues. Uh, it's a pleasure for me to be a part of World Implant Expo along with Smile USA and to get an opportunity to speak on this platform and majorly discuss failures in implantology, also some tips and tricks to get around the situation. And speaking alongside Dr. Anand Krishnamurthy, who has been practicing implantology and most of us know him. We are basically discussing uh, various failures in our everyday implantology and how we have learned from them, how we have went ahead uh, to seek a solution in around that, and also to touch upon various aspects of digital and analog implantology, bridging a gap between a clinic and a lab, developing synergy and sharing our thoughts and views and in terms of planning and education of an implant restoration, right from the surgical aspect to the prosthetic aspect. In short, we will be discussing the entire workflow, sharing our stories, sharing our failures, which has helped us in achieving something called as the longevity of rehab, what we have done over a period of time. I would also like to add some sneak preview of what the lab is and how we function in brief. I would also like to thank Dr. Shankar Iyer for giving me this opportunity along with Dr. Aditi Nanda. So really excited for the same. See you guys. See you in Cochin for the World Implant Expo. Thank you.